See, these kids don't have money for marble, but they're using, stones and playing with it. Look at this. There is children park. No children. Am I a child? Yes, to my mother. But I am old. No, not old, but gold. Okay. Why children are there? Because the place that you're going to visit today will be somewhere in the middle of all these mountains. Okay, we have started from Bhawanipatna, but I didn't know that Bhawanipatna is actually surrounded by hills. Really hills after hills, different sizes, different shapes. The weather absolutely is beautiful today. It's not sultry, it's not hot, it's just drizzling, but it's beautiful. See, these kids don't have money for marble, but they're using, stones and playing with it. That's called improvisation. Wow, man. Look at it. Beautiful weather. Okay, the mountains are covered with thick fog. Wow. The drive is not pleasant. That is the only thing. The road is not good, but I'm just waiting to get there. I don't know how it will be. Just exploring, and that when I explore, you will have an idea how this is gonna be. Correct. Look at the background. Anywhere you see, it's all hills. Yeah, Bhawanipatna is surrounded with hills. Beautiful.
They say that love is blind, but I never trusted sight. When I turn it
So you've arrived at Chota Rabandhara. Okay, let's explore. He's Satyam, है ना? Satyam. Okay, he's from the forest department. He's going to show us around. So, bye. Chalo bye. Dekhte hain. Look at this. There is children park. No children. Am I a child? Yes, to my mother. But I am old. No, not old, but gold. Okay. Why children are there? Because if the roads are like this, who will want to come? I'm one such idiot who will come. But it's a beautiful waterfall, yeah? It's lovely. Do you see the Shiva there? Okay, next to it is in the cave is the linga where on Mondays Pujari comes and does prayer. So if you want to get your prayers and prayers answered, please come on a Monday. Look at this. This actually looks like a movie set, but it is not a movie set. It's actually real. Okay, what is brownish because it has rained heavily for the last 4-5 days. That's where it is. So shall we head to Bada waterfall? So we parked up the car and we're walking. So I will tell you how long it will take to climb up. Weather is absolutely beautiful. भाई वो गर्मी के सीजन में बहुत गर्मी होता क्या यार? हाँ? ये मस्त है वेदर. हाँ?
थोड़ा चेंज होगा. बारिश का टाइम है.
बारिश का टाइम नहीं तो पूरा गर्मी होता है. हाँ?
बहुत गर्मी.
Beautiful यार. Beautiful. Come on. You should never trust people, yeah. In Google reviews and say, I read that the road is pathetic, you can't drive. You'll have to park it in Chota and then walk to Bada. But the road is better here. The approach was bad. But this is better. Anyway, I mean, I'm not going to lose anything by walking. I'll only get fit and I'll burn calories of what I had consumed yesterday. Nothing I've consumed today other than water. So it's all yesterday's burn that I will do. But let us go. For this stretch, people have complained. Why didn't they complain about the whole road which brings us to the destination? 4x4 will easily climb on this. There should not be any issue at all. Only vehicles of my kind, small wheels, nah? Okay, and no traction here, will suffer. Otherwise, it's beautiful. Yeah. Sometimes you need to walk also. No? Can't complain that everywhere I'll go, wherever I go, I'll reach by vehicle only. मैं देखा कि आते वक्त कोई भी ये नहीं था, पेट्रोल बंक नहीं था. तो आप बोल रहे हो कि आपका घर यहाँ से जो काम करते कितना दूर है? 5 किलोमीटर. बट रास्ते में कुछ भी पेट्रोल बंक नहीं देखा. तो आपको यहाँ से आपको फर्स्ट पेट्रोल बंक मिलना है तो कितना दूर है वो?
7 किलोमीटर है. भवानीपटना मार्केट है.
यानी कि आपका घर से कितना दूर है? जो मेन रोड है ना, वहां से कितना दूर है?
7 किलोमीटर.
यानी कि यहाँ से लग गया 12 किलोमीटर.
12 किलोमीटर. तो
12 किलोमीटर से पहले आपको पेट्रोल बंक ही नहीं है. तो कैसे करते हो? दुकान से करते हो?
दुकान से करते हैं.
तो कितने में करते हो?
120 में.
120. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं समझाता हूँ, ओडिशा का जो है पेट्रोल रेट ज्यादा है. 105 है. बट बिहार और उत्तर प्रदेश छोड़ के, वेस्ट बंगाल छोड़ के, बाकी सब जगह में इंडिया में 95-96 रुपीज है पेट्रोल. यानी कि 96 पकड़ लो, 95 पकड़ लो, 95 एंड 120 कितना? आप लोग 25 रुपीज ज्यादा दे रहे हो ना भाई. क्या यार, व्हाट आर यू गाइस डूइंग मैन? गवर्नमेंट 25 रुपीज दे पेइंग एक्स्ट्रा per liter. Doesn't make sense. When you arrive, you'll find small steps like this. Follow it and go. Hey, यही तो बड़ा वाटरफॉल है. और दिख रहा ना, पर छोटा दिख रहा है. बड़ा थोड़ी है ये. Come, let us see. Hey, this doesn't look like a bada waterfall. Yeah, looks like chota water. That fall only was looking better now. But why do they call this bada? Because it is on the top, they call this bada? No, I don't know. Okay, they have got the railings here. You're not supposed to go down, I believe, but monkeys are there now. In the form of humans. Okay, and they go down, and I believe that somebody had died here. That's what Satyam was telling me about. Okay, so I think when it is not raining, if we come here, there will be no water. But if there is water, the water will be clear. The question is whether to come off season or during season. That's something that we will get confused. So what do we do? Shall we go? So the waterfall wasn't that great. Okay, but you can't expect everything to be the same. If everything is the same, then why will one visit another waterfall? Okay, this is very picturesque if you ask me. Surrounded by mountains after mountains, which Odisha is blessed in this part of the state. Okay, so my thing is, good or bad, please come. That helps the tourism. The more you come, the more the government will get to know that they need to do something about this, the stay, the travel, the roads, and all this stuff. So we, from different part of the state, can actually come down here and help this state. We can't say that our lives are better where we are, and why should we care about other people? That's not the way it should work, right? Okay, I don't like anybody being ill-treated, and especially other states as such, and some states get all the facilities. So saying that, I'll see you in a new video, new day, new place. Till then, I want you to stay safe, stay healthy, stay alive. Bye from me.